Hello everyone, I want to share you all the master the buffer register during the tap operation. The master register operation for machine the mazatrol depend on the G code, M code. You see the keyboard, the diagram of memory input buffer tab store in the operation. So, and then I want to share you about the G code. G code is the CNC machine that you want to see. G00 to G137. G00 is the position, the traverse machine to want to do something like line interpolation. G01 G01.1 is straight with the C axis interpolation. Circulation interpolation clockwise is the G02. G03 is the interpolation and the clockwise dwells. G04 is the G code machine is the rest machine a rest on the time 1 second, 2 seconds. Visual assist interpol 07 in the cylinder interpolant 07.0 is group 001 a group 00. The exact stop change is the G09 a group 0. Data setting mode on. Data stop change G10. Data setting mode on G10.1 is group 0. Common address of G11 group 0. Data setting mode of G12 12.1 group 24. Pollen connector interpolation on G12.1 group 26. Pollen of G13.1 26. X-wise plone selection. G17 group 12. Z-H plone selection G19 group 12. Inch common G20 group 6. Matrix common G21 06. Inch English US or matrix millimeter. Pre-move stroke check on G22 group 04. Pre-move stroke check of group G23 group 4. A reference point check G26 group 0. Reference point return G29. Return from reference point G29. Return to the second, the third, and the fourth reference point 30. Skip function G31. That is machine from work to the point start to the go home. So the machine that G27, G28, G29, G30 is the machine turn home. Different workplace to the face and to the work. Lean TPO. You want to guess you want to converse out, and then he returned to home. G31 group 0 is the skip function. Multi-step skip 1 G31.1 group 0. Multi-step skip G31.2 group 0. Multi-step skip 3 G21 group 0.3 group 0. Thread cutting thread taper G22 group 1. Then this thread you want to thread M6, M12, M12, M16, M14, etc. Variant lead to thread cutting G34 group 1 is thread as well. You want to thread like this. I will plan to say about thread also. Whole machine panel cycle on a cycle G234.1 group 0. Whole machine panel cycle on axis on launch G235 group 0. All machine panel cycle on the grid G237.1 group 0. This is the machine panel cycle. Is circular, launch, arc, or grinch. I want to show you what is the cycle. Or cycle like this, line like this, or arc. So the green is the G code for the G code from G40, 40, 41, 42, 43. Is the origin on the right, on the left. You see, group 007. If you want to write radian compensation, you wish the 42 left G41, and then compensation of G40 group 0. From G50 to G40 to G44, 50 to 54 is the connection machine. Polygonal machine mode of G50.2 group 23. Connect system setting, spindle clamp speed setting G50. Location connection system setting G42 group 0. Master connection system cancel G52.5 group 0. Master connection system selection G53.5 group 0. Machine connection system selection G53. G54 group 12. Selection workpiece. You see this one. That is the connection for system. Do you want to probe for machine X and Y and Z? And you see all the system selection G54, 55, the G59, A group 12. That's a connection. Example, this is mazatrol. If to connection G43 C, G54 here, G55 here, G56. That condition. And one way position G60. Exact stop check mode G61 group 13. Automatic mode G62 set group setting. Tapping mode G63 setting. And a tap that I example for you, taps like this. Cutting modes G64 group setting. Mazatrol module, then G65, then H, Y and Z. Then we probe we have this mazatrol module G65, G66, G66, G67 group 14 is the mazatrol model call off. Mazatrol model call B. Used mazatrol model call or finish cycle G13. If you want to work with the contour parallel rose cycle, you want to example you work like this, and when you finish G70 group 90, they are group 90 from contour, from traverse machine borrows on the time, and then work from G71 launching to the cardinal roasting cycle. So this is the example I want to share you. Then traverse cutting cycle of this to work. Thank you for watching. I want to share you after then.